At Designlab Experience, we explore the relationship between space and storytelling, and how a story unfolds throughout the journey of an evening or a day, and how it is experienced by every single visitor and guest in the audience. The principle is always the same. It's about the creation of an environment and a narrative that captures people's minds and imagination. And that is underpinned by very, very thorough research, continuous interchange and conversation with the client to make sure we're on track and it meets their vision, and that we can bring that vision to life.
Once you enter the space, it wasn't a symmetrical space. It was mainly more organic, more natural. That's why all the seatings are on levels, and these levels have different themes. We created on the side like a hill where people sit like they are in a fashion show on cushions. Other space under the bridge, we had some levels where it created some rooms for intimate seating. So the space itself was vernacular, natural, and mysterious.
L'élément principal, c'était l'eau sur ce décor. L'eau sous toutes ses formes, que ce soit le bassin, mais aussi les cascades, et aussi le plafond. Il fallait qu'il y ait de l'eau partout.
As the people prepare themselves to leave the Majlis area, which is filled with very strong and impactful elements in the architectural design, they go through the perfume area, which kind of transitions and prepares them for what's coming next in the dinner area. A more subtle and dreamy space, where you feel like as if you're sitting inside looking at this outside world that's filled with very colorful flowers. In the ceiling, you can find these oversized petals from different colors, having like an explosion of flowers on top of each area.
When we work together with artists and collaborators, some of the most beautiful ideas come about. It is that collision of the minds that is orchestrated by our team, who then help bring ideas to reality.